Having a profitable business is the goal of every entrepreneur, but it isn't always the case. So if you are wanting to start your own business, this is the video for you because I'm going to be giving you 7 business ideas that are profitable for 2021. And I'm going to be giving you all kinds of ideas to help you thrive. So stick around. I'm Sharon Lee of fearlesspursuits.com and you are watching Fearless and PowerTube, the place to be for entrepreneurs who like making money and growing their mind. All right, so this is a really exciting video for me to create for you because I love helping people grow their businesses, build their businesses. It's a really exciting thing for me to do because I know that it helps so many people. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know my past. You know that I spent a great deal of time in destitution. And it's my mission to help as many people as I can create wealth and freedom. And one of those ways, as Robert Kiyosaki says, is to have your very own business. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 profitable business ideas that you can start in 2021. We realize that we can start a brick and mortar business or an online business. But here in 2021, a lot of people are really considering online businesses. We realize with online businesses, it's a lot less expensive than the brick and mortar businesses. I know because I've had both. I started my brick and mortar business way back in 1995. I had another brick and mortar business in 2013. So I know a thing or two about brick and mortar businesses as well as online businesses. And I can tell you that the upfront cost for a brick and mortar business is far and above an online business, which is one of the reasons why a lot of people want to have an online business. But the reach is so much greater than a brick and mortar business. When you have an online business, you can reach people all over the world. And that means you can make a lot more money and a lot more impact. Depending upon the type of business that you choose, your earning level is going to vary. This is something that you'll want to consider as we go through these ideas in the video. What makes a good business anyway? The first aspect is it should be something that you really enjoy doing. Because when you hit rough times, as entrepreneurs always do, you want to make sure that you're doing something that you love, something that will keep the passion going, especially when burnout starts to kick in. And it should definitely be something that you're good at. And it has to be something that a big enough demographic want so that they can throw their money at you. Perhaps you worked as a bookkeeper in the past for a corporation or maybe a small business, and you lost your job because of the world crisis right now. Well, that's a really profitable business for you, and you can run it from your home. You can do this for people all over the world. It's a very profitable business, and it's something that you already know how to do. Perhaps it's something that you don't know how to do. You can easily take a course and learn how to do this and start getting your feet wet. You can start charging inexpensive rates to get yourself going so that you can get the expertise that you need and the testimonials. And after a while, you can start increasing your rates. I would be remiss if I didn't say online store, because let me tell you, since this world crisis has happened, more people than ever before are shopping online. You can have a physical product store through Amazon, or you can have a t-shirt shop, Etsy store, or some other kind of store that you can serve up through your own website. We know that more and more people are going to be shopping online to get all the products that they need. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, you can set it up however you want. There are some businesses that are set up just using drop shipping so that you don't have to keep any product in your own home. And also you can use Amazon's FBA service so that you don't have to keep the products in your home. You simply order your products through the manufacturer and you get a shipper to ship it from the country that you've ordered it from and ship it to the warehouse that Amazon has for you so that they can fill it for you. Along those lines, with an online business, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways. As I said before, people are shopping more online than ever before. So you can start your own website. This again has to be a niche that people want. It has to be something where it can be a passion website, a lifestyle website, or a problem-solving website. These are the best kinds of websites that you can create, and you can always find some sort of product that you can blog about and use as affiliate marketing. You can always send your products that you're affiliate for in your newsletter too, so you can get people to sign up. And I love using Pinterest as a way to drive traffic to any offer that I have. And because so many people are getting online these days, websites are very popular. So if you've got a little expertise with digital experience like SEO, you could be an SEO expert. It's a great business for you to help other entrepreneurs so that they can be found on Google. Or even better, help them to be found on Pinterest, because Pinterest uses SEO, and even YouTube. So an SEO expert is a very profitable business for 2021 and moving forward. And along these same lines, people need content. We realize that content marketing is at the forefront of every single business today. Whether you're marketing on social media or whether you're using the Web 2.0, we realize that content is king or queen, and we know that we have to create lots and lots of content. But if you're the type of person that really likes writing, you could be the go-to expert that people that don't have time to write will go to. They'll lean on you to write their blog posts, sometimes their ads, sometimes their books. You could be a ghostwriter. A lot of people are using ghostwriters these days for Kindle books, for example, and any physical book. A lot of people are not writing their own books these days, and they're using ghostwriters instead. So content writer is a tremendous business moving forward for 2021. You can see a lot of these businesses are geared for the digital world that we live in. It may not surprise you at all that because of the world crisis, we have moved schools online as well. A very profitable business that you could start right from your home is a language teacher. So if you know any particular language, maybe you have a couple of languages that you know, you could easily be teaching students all over the world from your computer and making really good money. And along those same lines, with a different career, you could just simply be an online teacher. That's right, you could be teaching anything to anyone as long as you know how to teach. Maybe you were a teacher before, going to an institution and teaching students in a building, but those positions are being eliminated, unfortunately. So now teachers can make a living online as well. Believe it or not, career coaching is one of the highest sought after types of coaches. These are the types of professionals that are helping others get into a better career. And this is something that's easy to do from your home and is extremely profitable, because ultimately there are a lot of people who will pay a lot of money so that you can help them find a very profitable career. The job market can be very difficult, especially in times of crisis like what we've experienced now. So a lot of people are reaching out to professionals so that they can be better in the interview process and with their resume. It's something that people will use short term, but you'll be able to really impact a lot of people's lives in a really big way. All right, so you realize there's so many different things that you can do to really start a profitable business here in 2021. I could have gone on forever because there are so many really great ones. I can think of like a web developer, for example. That's another really great one. An app developer, or a social media consultant. You see, there's so many different careers that are extremely easy to do and profitable. So now you know how you can start a profitable business in 2021. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like videos just like this, and be sure to click the bell to get notified of fresh videos when I upload them. See ya in the next video.